So today I'm reviewing this waterproof protector for your casts or bandages. I broke my arm once and I remember the doctor gave me one, but honestly, it didn't last. Like it just felt weird using it. It's good to have more than one, you know? It just feels like for sanitary reasons. It's good. And you don't have to use it just for your arms. You can use it for your knees, foot, your shank, knee, extra large, thighs, elbow. You have to make sure it's really put on nicely by the help of someone before you shower, because yeah, just for precaution. Let me see. Oh yeah. So yeah, I just want to make sure. Sorry, I was reading that. So this is how long it is. So it is pretty long. That's really convenient, because everyone's arm's length, body proportions are very different. It's even like a shape of a like a Christmas stocking if you look at it like this. And yeah, you have this here. So you gotta take this off. And then with the help of a family member, you just, or both yourself, and it sticks here. Like this thing is sticking to my skin. Like, I don't know if you can see, it's right here. And it sticks here. And then you can just shower like usual. Make sure it's just secure, you know? And then after the shower, you just pop it off. And it also has a hook here so you can hang it after. So it doesn't grow mold when you just toss it somewhere. And it's hard to pull off a little bit too. But it doesn't hurt my hair or anything. I have arm hair. It doesn't hurt when I pull it off or anything like that. So yeah, it's very convenient because it's big enough to put it anywhere on the, like, your legs, your arms, anywhere where you need to. Of course, not your stomach, nothing like that, but just like body parts like that. So yeah, I feel like this is very convenient, especially for someone who broke a leg, arm, and needs something like this to, just in case maybe your doctor forgot to give you one, or you lost it, or you're traveling, you forgot it, and just to have multiple ones is very convenient.